So today we are discussing how do we make money using astrology. And specifically, this is in regards to a 10-part series that I've already recorded, but this is like kind of the conclusion of all those kinds of the aspects in regards to Venus and the houses. So I'm Fox Red Sky. I am your astrologer, your soul coach, and I am the host for Astrology Obsessed. So how do we use astrology to make money? Now that's a very interesting question, because by looking at our natal chart, by exploring areas of our life, we can see where we're going to be blessed or where we're going to might have an uphill battle. You know what I mean? And so when we can look at these things from a larger perspective, then we can allocate our energy to the areas where we're going to have the most success, and it's just the more flow, more openness. So basically, I did a 10-part series where I discussed Venus's an aspect to all of the planets, as well as Venus in each of the houses. Now, why is this important? Well, Venus, not only is it the planet of love and beauty, but it's also luxury and wealth. And we sometimes forget that or neglect that. So in aspect to this, so like an aspect to all this, so this video is about discussing Venus in aspect with your ascendant. So what is Venus? We discussed. Now what is your ascendant? So your ascendant is the face that you show to the world, how you want the world to see you. It is your perception. It's the first impression that everybody gets of you. So somebody who has Venus well aspected with their ascendant sign, they're going to have a very strong will of their own. They aren't going to be told what to do. Now, this is really beautiful because sometimes they may have a poor sun. Maybe their self-esteem might not be really good, or maybe they don't feel great being in the spotlight. But if their Venus is aspected with their ascendant, that means that they're still not going to be told what to do, regardless. They're also going to have great looks, or even if they're not like the best looking person, they're still going to have this amazing personality that just makes you be like, wow, who is this person? They tend to be really like into acting or modeling. They're really good negotiators, because you feel when Venus is in good aspect with your ascendant, you immediately feel this person is beautiful. You immediately feel the impression that you get this person is that they know what they're talking about. You feel comfortable with them. So they also are really good at having, being good at the arts, or anything having to do with the beauty field, but also working directly with money. So you want to know how to make money using astrology? Know where your Venus is located in your chart, and know what it's being aspected to. Like, is this a good aspect or is this a bad aspect? When you learn these things, then you can be like, okay, this is where I need to put my energy and my time, and I can make the most money and wealth. If that's your desire. Not everybody's desire is to immediately, but wealth is freedom. Everything is a tool in life. It is all how you use this tool. And if you use it, everything has positive and negative. So let's just briefly discuss Venus aspected with your ascendant, whether it's sextiled, trine, or conjunct. Because these are really the positives, and we're going to discuss the positives because we're trying to find out how to make money using astrology. Well, if you look at the positive aspects in regards to this, you're going to find exactly how to do such a thing. So sextiled Venus, sextiled with your ascending. This is going to be somebody who's very easily approachable. People are immediately going to have their guard down around you. They make friends. I call them 15-minute friends everywhere they go, because they just immediately, people feel relaxed around them. They sense this aura of beauty and just ease. So this is an amazing aspect for that. So now if somebody has their Venus and their ascendant trine, these people will have a really good marriage. These people will tend to just happen to marry someone who is either on their way to becoming super wealthy or already wealthy. Either way, regardless, they're going to have an amazing relationship harmony with all their relationships. Venus trine with your ascendant is just, not a lot of people are going to want to get into a fight with you. They're not going to want to argue with you because they just feel, oh, this, because you're the type of person that is just really good at just being able to make anyone from all different areas of life feel comfortable, from all statuses. So this is a great position. Next, we're going to discuss Venus conjunct your ascendant. These people tend to get their success and their money through their careers, whatever they decide that to be. So it's a great placement, great placement. So if you really want to learn more about the exact placement of where you're going to make money, you have to look at your natal chart. I'd be more than happy to look at your natal chart for you. There's tons of websites you can get for free and look at it. But I can actually, I have a whole litany, a whole series of, if you find your aspect, I probably have a video for it in regards to, wealth and Venus and how you can grow your money in this lifetime. So anyway, I want to thank you so much for listening and for asking that question. How do I make money using astrology? If you have any questions or comments, first of all, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm always available. I do one-on-one coaching. I do natal charts. I have links below. Wherever you are in the world, I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors for the highest good of all. And God bless you. I hope you're having a great day.